Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create TikTok account in 2024 on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to create TikTok account very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the TikTok app icon. And tap on the profile icon which is located in the bottom right corner, and here you can see many options, but these options are only to log in into existing account. To create a new account, you have to tap on don't have an account, sign up. And here you can sign up for TikTok with your mobile number, with your email, with your Facebook, or with your Google. I'll sign up for TikTok with my email. And here you have to enter your email address. I'll enter mine. And tap on send code. And here you have to create a password that you will remember. But remember, your password must have at least 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number and 1 special characters. I'll create mine. And tap on next. And here you have to set up your birth date. I'll set up mine. And tap on next. And here you have to create a nickname for your account. I'll create mine. And tap on confirm. And tap on OK. And tap on OK. Now you can see we have successfully created our TikTok account. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.